In this video, we are discussing character type of data in our Java coding. In this demonstration, we are going to deal with the character type of variables. We have defined one character type variable, that is a mycard. And this mycard has got initialized with this capital A enclosed within single quotes. That means the direct assigned character capital A, which will be enclosed within single quote. And in our Java programming, whenever you are trying to deal with the characters are to be enclosed within single quotes here. So system.out.println, the value of mycard I have printed here, and so the effective outcome is capital A. Next one, this mycard has got initialized with this 70. What is the 70? 70 is the ASCII value of character F. 70 is the ASCII value of character F, because we know that capital A is having the ASCII code 65, so F will have the ASCII code, that is our 70. So after assigning this 70 to this mycard, if I go on printing this mycard, remember mycard was defined as of the type card, so that's why whenever you are going to print this mycard, it is printing capital F, not 70, because it is a character type of variable. Here in this case, the mycard has been initialized with /u0041. There is a Unicode hexadecimal value for integer, and this value will be ranging from 0000H to FFFFH. Here H stands for hexadecimal. So as a result of that, when we are assigning /u, that means the Unicode hexadecimal format 0041. So 41, if we want to convert this 41 to the decimal equivalent, it is 4 into 16 to the power of 1, that is 64, plus 1 into 16 to the power of 0, that is 1. So 64 plus 1, that is 65. That is the ASCII code of capital A. So if I go on printing this mycard, you can find that mycard is printing capital A here. So in this way, we have shown you that how to deal with the character type of variables in our Java code. Thanks for watching this video.